We're about to commence this firework night with a little starter here, so let's get the Roman candle faced out at a 45-degree angle. Let's see, where are we here? Oh man, nice little little topper. And in between that, we need to get this, what is this here? 61 shot clustering cicada. Because we the people. That's why.
Because we the people.
All right. See, I don't know if I have a designated area to be doing this, but I tell you, I'm just kind of walk here. Hopefully I don't get run over because we don't want to get run over. And let's back away. Firework of the night. That is all, Patriots.